Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and passwords. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!